How do I sell and collect my money? And should I reinvest the profits? There are a number of ways that you can sell your stocks. You can sell them through a broker, through an online broker or share dealing service, through an E-Trade organization, through the brokering service of a bank, and sometimes even privately. Nowadays there are a number of choices open to you. There is even a variety of choices within each of the above services. For instance, when you sell your shares through a broker, some take orders to sell via the internet, others operate telephone or even postal services, and some are full service that you can meet in their office or all of the above. The cheapest way to deal in shares, either selling or buying, is usually on an execution-only basis. This simply means that a broker acts on your instructions to sell or buy, but will not give you advice on the merits of the transaction. As a newbie investor, I would not recommend this for you as a starting strategy. With regard to straight online dealing services or e-traders, these can be great if you are used to dealing and trading shares, but for newbies, I would suggest that they be avoided. You want to get a full service stockbroker that buys and sells for you right now. It's the only way you should start. They can offer advice, insight, guidance, help you come up with a plan, and they can actually do the buying and selling for you while you learn all this other stuff. Really, it gets your toes wet. It gets you some serious information and knowledge. Yes, it does cost a little bit more, just a little bit more in commissions when you actually do buying and selling. Overall, it is not that much more expensive, but the benefit you get from it is great. The money after selling becomes available usually within 4 days. It takes 1 day to process the sale, then 3 days to process the actual transaction. And after the transaction has gone through, the money is usually directly deposited right into your bank account, or it's mailed to you as a check if you do not have your bank account information set up with whomever you are dealing with, whether it's your stockbroker or an internet sales transaction company such as E-Trade or Ameritrade. When it comes to reinvesting the proceeds of your stock sales, a winning investor will take the proceeds from a win and then promptly reinvest it in another stock, rather than spending the money. Now this is where an investor really differs from those who are gamblers. Sports and financial gamblers will brag about their wins, take their winning funds, and promptly spend it. Thus little or nothing is contributed to their overall wealth. The most successful people and businesses have always been those that take their profits and reinvest them for either themselves or their business. So it follows that you should also develop this habit. Naturally, there are tax implications, so if you're unsure, seek expert counsel. We do cover this a little bit in another video, but even in that video, we suggest that you contact a professional. Your stockbroker can help you with this. Go to www.stockinvestingprofits.com to get a free 7-part stock investing kit shipped right out to you. www.stockinvestingprofits.com